Drawing the compassion of others.
Showing the compassion of others.
Representing oneself.
Representing oneself.
As always poverty.
Always poverty.
Yet that also
now
not it does and the term false. But it does and the term falsity. You should say such a person who should be infamous person while breathing or while alive. With the heart is dead or should be killed. Translation purport. Therefore, the safe course is to say no, although it is a falsehood. Protect everything. Show compassion toward oneself, and it gives one good facility to collect money from others for oneself. Nonetheless, if one always pleads that he has nothing, he is condemned, for he is a dead body while living, or while still breathing, please repeat. Therefore, the safe course is to say no. Although it's a falsehood, protects one completely. Lost the compassion of others towards oneself, and it gives one full facility to collect money from others for oneself. Nonetheless, always that is, he has nothing. He is condemned. For he is a dead body while living, or while still breathing. He should be killed. Purpose and still a good part. Beggars always present themselves as possessing nothing, and this may be very good for them, because in this way they are assured of not losing their money and of always drawing the attention.
Keep the TV remote with you. It looks very bad of me to do all that. Muting and not muting. You keep it with the remote.
Purposely continues this professional begging. He is supposed to be dead while reading, or according to another interpretation, such a man of falsity should be killed while still breathing. The Vedic invention in this regard is as follows: Advaitas Purnam Abhyatmam Yan Neti Sayat Sarvam Neti Bruyat Papikshya Kirti Jayate Shainam Tastraiva Anya. If one continuously poses himself as possessing nothing and collects money by begging, he should be killed. Shainam Tatraya Anya.
Hare Krishna, Pal Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, welcome. Hare Krishna, Rita Mataji. Okay, better I pick up directly. Mataji getting late for college, Rita Mataji. Payal Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Rita Mataji is also a doctor. She is in homeopathy line. She works for Father
Hare
Muller.
Krishna. Okay, we
Remember
take
was a boy
mostly
called Joy?
homeopathy.
You remember Joy was there, one boy called Joy?
Yes.
He was her student.
Oh.
Mataji, remember Joy?
Well,
Rita
myself,
Mataji?
yes, Prabhu.
No, Rita Mataji, do you remember Joy? Joy Krishna. You know them, Asami connection. She is frozen.
Yeah.
Okay. So she comes. You know when Dr. Tiwari used to come?
Yes, I remember them by names.
Yes, yes.
But yes.
Long time. Hare Krishna. Shridhara, give the mobile. Where is the shloka? In your mobile or this mobile? Give Baba to read. Hare Krishna. Ataitat purnamabhyatmam yachaneti anritam vachaha sarvam neti anritam roya sadushkirti swashanmritaha. Therefore, the safe course is to say no, although it is falsehood, it protects one completely, draws the compassion of others toward oneself, gives one the full facility to collect money from others for oneself. Nonetheless, if one always pleads that he has nothing, he is condemned for either dead body while living or while breathing, he should be killed. So there is some, reverse situation which is being seen by Shukracharya. Shukracharya is seeing some difficulty. And in reverse situation, is recommending that he give up all dharma. But this is not what devotees do. A gentleman does. In fact, rather a person is tested in reverse situation. Correct? The real character of the man comes out in reverse situation. His golden character comes out, how he maintains his principles. But here Shukracharya is saying, now difficulty is coming, better give up all dharma and tell a lie. Okay, so let us see what the examples set in the scriptures. We see what are the examples set by the great souls. We have the example of Vedavyasa. Vedavyasa was in a very reverse situation that after reading all the Vedic literatures, after he wrote so many Vedic literatures, he was not satisfied. What did he do? What did he do? He gave up spiritual life. He took to smoking ganja or anything? No. He took shelter of Narada. And what was the result? He got spiritual instructions. Right? There was a reverse situation. What did he do in the reverse situation? That is important. Situation, but we take the example what he did. He took shelter of the Lord. My Lord, please guide me. He took shelter of his guru. His guru came and he said, please guide me. And Narada Muni guided him and told him the mistake he has done, that he has not properly glorified the Lord. And the situation got over. Similarly, we have more instances. We have the instance of Narada Muni. When Narada Muni's mother died, he was a small child, only 5-year-old. He could have just cried, lost faith in God, see what the God did to me, blah, blah, blah. I don't say there is God. I'm a helpless child now. There's no father to take care of me, and he killed my mother also. What kind of God is this? He took it as a mercy of the Lord. And where he had been in the ashram, serving the great acharyas, the Bhakti Vedantas, and by his mercy he was spiritually so advanced, he took it as a mercy of Krishna. And he took shelter of the Lord. And he was searched out a place in the forest where he could meditate on the Lord. And the result was, what was the result? What happened to Narada? He got darshan of the Lord in the forest. So there was a reverse situation. But he took it, that reverse situation also as mercy. There is nothing difficult. Everything he took it as mercy. But what was the result? He got darshan of the Lord. Prabhupada says, here I like to always repeat, what we want to see, life after life after life, he saw. What more does he want? His life became perfect. He saw the Lord. He became so happy, so ecstatic. Then we have the reverse situation, Ashwatthama. What did Ashwatthama do? Ashwatthama killed the 5 sons of Draupadi. And what Draupadi could have done? Draupadi could have, and Arjuna went very angry and brought Ashwatthama in front. Draupadi could have said, "You kill him now." She said, "No." She forgave him. She said, "How can you kill him? I know the pain I'm feeling for my children's being killed. How can you give the same pain to Drauni, the wife of the Dronacharya? Crazy people. Have you forgotten your gratitude to Dronacharya? How much gratitude we have to that family. He is the one who trained you in Astra Vidya, and you want to kill his son now? How much pain you're going to give the wife of Dronacharya? We have obliged to that family. Let us not do this. Already she is suffering because her husband has died. Now you're going to kill her son. Even though Ashwatthama had done a great offense, she pardoned him. Okay? She took it. So that's a devotees are very tolerant. This is a great situation. Bhima wants to kill him. And here Draupadi says, better leave him. And Krishna here is four-handed. Is holding Bhima with two hands, another hand. Interesting, Krishna's. Prabhupada said he can have 1,000 hands. What is there? 4 hands. And then it tries to situation, And then it's a very funny situation. Okay. And then Parikshit Maharaj. This we all know the famous instance. Parikshit Maharaj was cursed to die. He was cursed to die within 7 days. He could have said, taken some offense and done something. No. He could have counter-cursed. He could have killed that Brahmana. He could have killed that son of the Brahmana. Samika Rishi Shringi, all Parikshit Maharaj could have wiped out the Brahmanas itself. He could have taken any action. I am bound by my etiquettes. I will stay within my etiquettes. I take it as mercy of Krishna. Such character. Now this encourages everybody. This encourages. So we see the great devotees. And then what was the result of that? Shukamuni came. Shukadeva Goswami came and instructed him. He heard Bhagavata from Shukamuni. So Krishna made arrangement for him. We stay within our boundary, then Krishna is so happy. Oh, so wonderful. So wonderful. And then Krishna makes arrangement. But our mistake is that we have little difficulty and we give up all principles. A little headache, we don't chant that day. Some little difficulty, we don't drop this, we don't do the service. Oh no, I'm not comfortable. Our whole focus is on ourselves. Where devotees' focus is on Krishna. Prabhupada takes an example of in the Bhagavatam of Vasudeva, the son of Krishna, father of Krishna. To convince Kamsa, he told him that Kamsa wanted to kill his wife. So he said, don't kill. You have heard the Akashvani that the 8th son of mine will kill you. So I'm not going to do, I'm going to give you all the children. You can do whatever you want. So Kamsa believed Vasudeva because Vasudeva was known for the word of honor. And he took the child. The firstborn child he took to Kamsa. The Prabhupada says devotees can tolerate any pain. And where the demons, they can forget anything for sense enjoyment. Correct? That's the different characters. The different characters. So here we see these are all different reverse situations. We have a reverse situation here. We have a reverse situation here. We have a reverse situation. But in all the situations, the devotee maintains character. We could have in this situation, Vedavyasa could have just stopped everything. So much he worked, so much he worked. He wrote so much. He wrote Mahabharata, he wrote the Upanishads, he wrote the Vedas, he wrote the Puranas, but still he is not feeling happy. What is missing? Saying, what is the mistake in me? He's introspecting. And then he's thinking, maybe I didn't glorify the Lord, but he wanted to confirm it. And Narada when he came. And Narada with the golden heart, which is full of love of Krishna, gave his association to him. And he developed so nice. Became so happy. Correct? He became so encouraged. So we can any reverse situation. Situation तो हमारा गलत हो सकता है, लेकिन हम कैसे उसमें व्यवहार करेगा वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. वेदव्यास को बहुत घुटन हो रहा था, इतना कुछ काम करके भी तृप्ति नहीं मिली. क्या किया? सब कुछ छोड़ के गांजा पिया? नहीं, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट. नारद मुनि को जब आए उनके शरण लिया और क्या हुआ रिजल्ट? उनको पूरा ज्ञान मिल गया। दूसरा सिचुएशन है नारद मुनि को। नारद मुनि जब बच्चे थे तो क्या हुआ, उनके माँ का मृत्यु हो गया, है ना, सांप ने डस लिया। तो क्या किया उन्होंने, रोए, कैसे भगवान है, पिताजी भी नहीं और माँ को भी मार दिया। नहीं, भगवान की कृपा है। और उन्होंने भगवान पर ध्यान करना शुरू किया, क्या हुआ, भगवान का दर्शन दे दिया। तो रिवर्स सिचुएशन सबके आता है। आदमी का कैरेक्टर टेस्ट होता है जब वो रिवर्स सिचुएशन में होता है। वैसे तो सभी लोग अच्छा, हाँ मैं बहुत अच्छा आदमी, थोड़ा मुश्किल में डालो, असली आदमी का गुण बाहर आ जाता है। द्रौपदी, द्रौपदी के भी 5 बच्चों का हत्या कर दिया किसने, अश्वत्थामा ने। और जब अर्जुन उसको पकड़ के लाया, बोला नहीं नहीं नहीं, माफ कर दो उसको। क्यों माफ कर दो, अरे द्रोणी की क्या हालत होगा, मेरे क्या हालत है, अभी 5 बच्चे मरे, और उस परिवार से तुम्हारा बहुत क्या कहते हैं कृतज्ञता है, उस परिवार को तुम बहुत ऑब्लाइज्ड है, तो हमको कितना ज्ञान दिया उन्होंने, है ना, छोड़ दो उसका कैरेक्टर डिवोटी है। ये फोटो लगाना भूल गया, ये है परीक्षित महाराज। परीक्षित महाराज को 7 दिन में मृत्यु दंड का सुनाई दिया। क्या किया, वो भी उस समय के ऋषि और श्रृंगी दोनों को मार सकता था, अपने कल्चर एटिकेट के अंदर रहा। भगवान आपको देख रहे हैं, आपको दूर से डर नहीं लगना चाहिए, लेकिन अपने गुण नहीं छोड़ने के। हम अब गुण आ गए, हम भी कुत्ते की तरह भौंकने लगे, तो हमें उस आदमी में क्या फर्क है, शांत रहा। वो भी श्राप देता था बच्चे को, फिर उस परीक्षित महाराज तो बच्चे में क्या फर्क रह जाता है। परीक्षित महाराज तो महान है ना। परीक्षित महाराज ने क्या किया, अरे तो कृष्ण की कृपा है, और कृष्ण ने अरेंजमेंट किया, शुक्र मुनि को भेजा उनको मदद करने के लिए। तो हम अगर अपने क्वालिटी में रहेंगे तो कृष्ण हमको मदद करेंगे, ठीक है। कृष्ण ओ ये तो बड़ा सुंदर भक्त है, तो कृष्ण को उसमें आकर्षण आता है। So this is a very test. Now Bali Maharaj is having similar situation. बलि महाराज के सामने ब्राह्मण रूप में भगवान आ गए और बोल रहे हैं मेरे को 3 स्टेप प्लान चाहिए, और बलि महाराज ने बोला ले लो। अब उसके बाद शुक्राचार्य बोले अरे रे 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 रे, तो क्या बोल दिया तूने क्या बोल दिया, अरे अब तो बोल, मैंने नहीं बोला, झूठ बोल दे। तो बलि महाराज सोच रहे हैं क्या करेंगे। भगवान लेना चाहते हैं, लेने दो, है बहुत मुश्किल, आसान नहीं है। आपका सब कुछ कोई ले ले, आसान नहीं होता, ठीक है, आप भगवान की इच्छा, ठीक है। एंड देन फॉर द रिजल्ट इज व्हाट, सूतल में भगवान उसको इंद्रलोक से भी सुंदर जगह बना देते हैं और खुद उसके द्वारपाल बन जाते हैं। और उसके बाद मृत्यु पश्चात सूतल के बाद वो इंद्र बनेंगे, पूरा एक मनवंतर कर 300 मिलियन ईयर, 30 करोड़ साल के लिए फिर उनको इंद्र का पोजीशन मिले। तो सब कुछ भगवान ने दिया कुछ, लेकिन उन्होंने अपना कैरेक्टर नहीं छोड़ा। अरे भगवान आए हैं, बोल रहे कुछ सब कुछ चला जाएगा, चलो झूठ बोल देते हैं, झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे, हम तो अपना कैरेक्टर में रहेंगे, ठीक है। तो दिस इज वेरी ग्रेट क्वालिटी वी नीड टू कल्टिवेट। बहुत बड़ा चीज है, इट्स नॉट इजी, एंड इफ यू कैन कल्टिवेट दिस क्वालिटी then there is some advancement in spiritual life, okay. In personal life also, first thing we can learn from all the situations. Now chalo, let us take a lesson for us in all the situations. First thing, situation वेद हमारे भी दिल में घुटन है, कोई नहीं बोल सकता हम पूरी तरह से तृप्त है, ठीक है। घुटन है तो आप प्रभुपाद का शरण लो ना, इतना सुंदर किताबें प्रभुपाद ने नहीं है। आपको हरिनाम है, हरिनाम का शरण लीजिए। You chant the holy name of the Lord, you hear about Krishna, you read Prabhupada books, उनका शरण लीजिए। पहले इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करिए। जो आदमी इंट्रोस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकता वो कभी भी आध्यात्मिक प्रगति नहीं कर सकता, है ना। The person who cannot introspect cannot advance the spiritual life. You see the judgment. Yes, I need to advance. I need to take shelter of the holy name and Prabhupada. लीजिए ना शरण, कौन रोक रहा है आपको? आपके हाथ में आपका आध्यात्मिक जीवन। नष्ट करना चाहते हो कर दो, प्रगति करना चाहते हो कर दो, रास्ता आपके सामने है ना, कोई नया चीज नहीं है। प्रभुपाद जी को कुछ भक्त लोग जानते थे, प्रभुपाद जी ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है, प्रभुपाद जी नया चीज मैंने कुछ नहीं देना तुमको, ये श्रवण करो, हरिनाम और भागवत पढ़ो, और श्री श्री राधा गोविंद की, श्री श्री गौ निताय की, श्री प्रभुपाद की। सो आप श्रवण करिए, आपको सब मिलेगा, लेकिन आपके पास रास्ता है तो आप उसका फायदा उठाइए। मैं जिंदगी में हमारा लक्ष्य परमात्मा का दर्शन है। अगर हमारा लक्ष्य परमात्मा का दर्शन हो जाएगा तो छोटी मोटी चीज पे हमारा मन व्यतीत नहीं रहेगा। इसने ये बोला, उसने ये बोला, वो अपने को ये समझता है, अपने को ये समझता है. I remember when I joined the temple as a brahmachari, there was a big community, 50 devotees. Sometimes he told like this to me, he told like this to me. I used to feel jealous of somebody sometimes. All this kindling was there, just join. But then I realized that I've come here to see the Lord. That's what the senior devotee told. You have come here to see Paramatma. What are you doing? You're busy with the silly things. Correct. The Paramatma is accompanying, is there in my heart, but I am not able to see. Can I see the Lord? That is where you focus. Then all the small things go away. And then we can forgive even the greatest offense. Okay? And finally, most important, Parikshit Maharaj knew he has only 7 days remaining. What did he do? क्या किया? साधे नहीं थे मालूम पड़ा. He took opportunity to hear about Krishna. So Prabhupada says we don't even know how many days we have. We have very small life in front of us. What we should do? We should focus. Very attentively hear Bhagavatam. Take full advantage. Labdava sudallabam idam bahu sambhavante. Very rare to get human form of life. Very rare. Somehow I got human form of life. Let me take advantage. Let me not waste this or throw away this opportunity. We do not know next life what is an opportunity. Today I have an opportunity. Let me take advantage. So we have the example of Parikshit Maharaj, all these examples. So let us also take an opportunity to advance spiritually. So Bali Maharaj also got an opportunity. In front of him, Vaman Deva is there. He can throw everything. He can take shelter. He takes shelter. He does not miss the opportunity. And he wants to take shelter and offer everything to the Lord. So similarly, if in our life also, we take advantage, every moment there is an opportunity to offer service to Krishna. Every moment, all of us an opportunity. If we take advantage, then there is going to be an advancement. Otherwise, there will be no advancement. At least the life will remain like that only. Do not miss an opportunity to serve Krishna. Rather, we are reverse. We never miss opportunity for self-gratification. It's like I remember when I was a child, one moment mother, father has gone out for some work, immediately we used to run and watch the TV. Children never miss opportunity for some playing or self-gratification. Correct? That's how we are. But rather than that, we should never miss opportunity for spiritual advancement. Whenever we get an opportunity, we should take advantage and advance. And Krishna is seeing that how eager he is to serve Krishna. Then more and more facilities will be awakened. And then Krishna will start becoming part of your life. When somebody Krishna sees is very sincere to serve him, then he attracts Krishna's attention. And when he attracts the attention of Krishna and the Vaishnavas, then he gets mercy. And when he gets mercy, that is advancement. Prabhupada says our advancement is not more on our sadhana, it is more on our the mercy. It is a mercy movement. So when we have become very eager to serve Krishna, eager to advance the spiritual life, then we get mercy. Okay, so this example of Bali Maharaj, funny, Shukracharya, tell a lie, no? What is there? Tell a lie. Nahi bola tune, bol de. And he's finding some like lawyer, some loopholes. So you didn't say before he gave the promise. So actually, it's not a promise. Anyway, if such a kind of promise, you should not withhold, because if you follow this promise, then you cannot maintain yourself, and then you will have no reputation. And who cares for a poor man? Blah, blah, blah. He's trying to create a situation. So Bali Maharaj may get scared and will not continue with the promise. And Shukracharya is also contaminated in giving this advice because he's very worried. If Bali Maharaj gives everything to the Lord, then how he's going to maintain himself. So both was wrong. In this situation, we can understand that Bali Maharaj could have rather, Bali Maharaj rather, instead of following Shukracharya and a so-called spiritual master who was obstructing his service to Krishna, he went ahead and served Krishna. And what did happen? It became glorious in history. But had it done short circuit for immediate some personal gain, he would have lied, and it would have been very temporary benefit. So Krishna is actually testing us in every situation. Okay, Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki. Yes.
all the people in the kingdom. He's responsible for them.
But then Krishna says in Gita, Sarvadharman Parityaja. Arjuna also had a similar thought, no? Arjuna think, if I fight this war, crores of people will die, who will take care of their wife? Correct? He also thought about that. But Krishna's plan, everything was included. When Krishna's order is there, we should not calculate, we should not consider. When Krishna is saying, I want to take away everything, I don't think he should have considered. Correct? Everything is planned already. What do you say? Krishna does not miss anything. It's like Lord Rama. Lord Rama also had a different. The Dharma Sankat comes, how he behaves. Yes, Payal Mataji, any questions? Prerna Mataji, any
No,
questions? Hare Krishna, Payal Mataji. Why we address Shukracharya, Shukovacha? The question, Payal Mataji, why did you say Shukovacha? What is the reason?
I think Shukadev Goswami is
No, Shi Shukra Vacha.
speaking
Again,
about who?
Bhagavatam
That's
says
why
Shi
two
Shukra
times Shri.
Vacha. We read that.
Something.
Ah,
Oh, Shri
why
Shukra.
does it say Shi Shukra Vacha? You know, he gives such funny advices. He says, tell a lie. And we say, no, it doesn't matter. But Bhagavatam says Shi Shukra Vacha. Yes, we saw that. Why does he say that? Huh? Why it says Shi?
I think the words he's using, the Saraswati modified words, that's why, or something like that.
Shi Shukra Vacha. Bhagavatam is speaking, means Vedavyasa is writing.
Really.
Why does it say Shi Shukra Vacha? When this fellow is obstructing service to Vishnu, what kind of Shi deserve?
Is he speaking something related to Krishna? Is he speaking something related to Krishna, or just before
I give you the evidence.
Vasudev,
I give you the evidence.
take a land?
Okay, here the evidence. Can you see Shi Shukra Vacha?
Understanding.
Yes,
Lord
Payal
Vishnu's
Mataji.
purpose.
Sorry, Prerna, you know the answer, therefore you're asking question. Yes. But for Arjuna, she was not used. The question is more complicated. It is used for Shukra. Not even used for Arjuna in Gita. She nowhere says Shri Arjuna Vacha, Arjuna Vacha, and Shukracharya. No, he's a guru. Guru has to be respected. Guru is a respectable personality always. I think in that light, he's a Brahmana, pure Brahmana. He is not a Brahmana of Kali Yuga, very genuine Brahmana. Okay? And pure devotion service. And later he's going to offer prayers. Now the whole thing is over after the pastime. At that time, Vaman Deva will ask, after the whole thing is over, Shukra, please tell me, what are the mistakes Bali Maharaj has done? Please correct everything here. He says, no. The yagna is complete. So he corrects himself. He's a very powerful Brahmana, but more became, little the seminal guru, like the caste gurus. I think it is given out of customary reason because he is a guru, Shukra, very powerful guru. Guru has to be given the word Shri, just like with a sir for a teacher.
Is it just the last shaloka before
this
Bali
is
Maharaj
before,
gives Vaman land?
No, not that.
Okay.
And this is when he's about to, he says, okay, take what you want. And after that, you want us to see the context where it was spoken? I just located that, no?
Yes.
You see the context. Shukracharya, you see that? When the Supreme Personality God has spoken, Bali Maharaj said, all right, take whatever you like. These words came out from his mouth, take. Then Shukracharya said, oh, wait a minute. Right? Shukracharya said immediately. Okay. It's not that many times, you see, Shri Shukra Vacha, this word comes, oh, what are you doing? I think out of respect because he's a learned Brahmana, not in the terms that this is the right thing to do to stop devotional service to Vishnu.
Yes, directly. Because Shukracharya now is confirming that this Brahmin is Supreme Personality of Godhead. That's why.
Yeah, he is speaking something correct also. But the point is that because being a respected personality, we have been
That's
talking
why.
about etiquette today. I think it's etiquette, not that he the Mahajana to be followed. Somebody is doing service to Vishnu, please stop. That is not what lesson we get from that. He's a respected elder personality like Brahaspati, Shukracharya. They're the respected gurus. I think in that way, very knowledgeable personality. Okay? But pure devotion is very difficult. See what happens, just like in India, most of the parents are also devotees, no doubt. But when their son wants to join ISKCON, they become real trouble. So pure devotion is very rare, sometimes tested out. So here it is tested out. Shukracharya did not show off as a pure devotee, but his disciple Bali Maharaj showed as a pure devotee. And testing, so just like we have Prahlad Maharaj, when Narsimha was roaring, even Devatas did not enter the assembly. They were panicked. Prahlad Maharaj entered without any fear. So some testing situation, real faith comes out. In a testing situation like that, Shukracharya thought we may lie, but Bali Maharaj never wanted to lie, even in such a difficult situation. So in that way, the pure devotee comes out. Bali Maharaj rather is shown as an exemplary devotee who ready to forego everything, but not service to the Lord.
What's in the Shastra?
You had some question? What are the questions?
What's in Shastra? Still Bhagavatam did not accept.
Yeah, the Shastra, the different levels, no? Karma Kanda, Jnana Kanda, Upasana Kanda. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Triguni Avishya Veda, Nistaraguni Bhavardhana. Therefore, there are many people who use Shastra to stop service to Vishnu. This is very strange. You accept the Vedas, but you reject the Vedanta. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Vedesha Sarvev Aham Eviviya. Through all the Vedas, you have to know me only. And here the Lord is saying give, and he doesn't want to give. Similarly, the Krishna book, the wives of the Brahmanas, Yagna Patis, they were doing big yagnas, and Krishna Balaram came. They sent the boys to get some food. They didn't give. Are you're worshipping Vishnu? Vishnu is asking for food. So sometimes we get lost in ritual and forget the real essence of the ritual. So Shukracharya is involved in huge rituals. All the rituals are for satisfaction of Vishnu, but he's forgotten the very purpose. When he's offering things to Vishnu, Vishnu has come standing here, Balima. He's saying here is Vishnu itself. Then you should tell the disciple, now give. He said, don't give. Now, this is strange. This was strange. So I'm just saying, these testing situations sometimes filter out a pure devotee from a normal devotee. This is very not easy to give everything away and be on the road. You know? So at this situation, Bali Maharaj was ready. So Shukracharya, our test filtered out. He was not such a pure devotee. It's not easy. What Prahlad Maharaj went through, what Bali Maharaj, it's not easy. It's easy for us to say how we will behave in this condition when we will die. Correct? Maintain our character even in the most tough situation. Like Yudhishthira Maharaj, whole kingdom was taken away. Maintain his character. Dhritarashtra told him, you have lost the game, now you go to the forest. So maintain his character. Okay, my uncle is saying, I'll obey that. Pandavas could at that moment have lifted the weapons and finished the Kauravas. There was no need for all the Vanvasa. He maintained his character. And what was the result? Krishna was always with them. So always good to maintain our character even in reverse situation. Yes, Rita Mataji, you're not getting late for college? Today holiday? Hare Krishna, Payal Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
We take a break now.
For me?
We take
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. You wanted to say something?
No,
Okay, we take
Prabhuji.
a break. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.